Hi, my name is Marty Norton, and welcome to 27 Pleasant Avenue in the South Portland area. Neighborhood is Pleasantdale, and we're about 3 houses off Broadway. So we're going to check out this property. It's priced at $249,900, and we're going to go in right now. Well, hi, coming in the front door, right into the living room at 27 Pleasant Avenue. This property is 4 rooms, 2 bedrooms. We're in the living room. We have a nice little closet right here for coats. And moving along, we're coming into the kitchen area. A nice little spacious spot for a cafe table or a small table. And as you can see, it's large enough to have a few guests in here. And we're going to move right along. It's public water, public sewer. To the right here is the bathroom, shower tub. And again, this is all hardwood floors in all the rooms. Coming right in here is a small guest bedroom with a closet. And it's bright. And we're going to move into, we have a little linen closet here. And then we're going to go right into the master bedroom here. Again, it's a little bit larger than the one we were just in. We do have a closet, again, fairly bright. As we're checking out the basement here, dry basement. As you can see, you've got the washer dryer right here. You have a bulkhead door over here to the outside. Okay. One of the nice features of the basement is the fact that we've got a nice boiler here. Oil-fired furnace. It's a Beckett burner. Oil tank, very nice. The oil line is above ground and it's sheathed. Over here, I wanted to point out the electrical panel. 100 amp service. A little bit of space left over in case you want to put an addition on. And let's go outside and check out the grounds. Hi, we're on the side yard of the property and notice the privacy and kind of security of the house itself. A lot of overgrown shrubs here, rhodies, and a few other items. We're going to go to the backyard now, and as you can see, we've got a nice shed back here, and we'll take a look at it real quick. Bulkhead, access to the basement. And just a quick look, we do have a lined chimney on the house, and we do have the metal roof. I wanted to make sure that was pointed out. All right, and check out this shed real quick. Shovels, lawnmowers, and rakes. And then over here, we do have an incline for accessibility. Get the oil line right there for the intake. And this is going to hit the market Thursday, December 1st. And again, my name is Marty Norton, and my telephone number is 207-408-6861. I'm with Keller Williams Realty, a member of the Markup Real Estate Group. We are having an open house on Sunday, this Sunday, 11:30 till 1 p.m. So if you're not working with a broker, please give me a call. Again, Marty Norton, 408-6861. Thank you.